I'm Stan Proko, artist, instructor, and creator of Proko, and I've spent the past 12 years producing some fun video lessons on drawing. And I'm excited to finally publish my first book. 2, in fact. The first one is a collection of my best charcoal and graphite drawings, showcasing years of practice, experimentation, and growth as a draftsman. You'll find some work from my time as a student, pieces from my portrait, figure, and anatomy courses, and some personal projects. And it's almost all focused on the human form. There's quick sketch, lay-ins, and longer efforts from life. There's portraits, figures, drapery, anatomy studies, and even a few of my favorite master studies. The second book will teach you how to draw expressive, anatomically accurate hands. This book is based on everything I've taught about hands in my Anatomy for Artists course. In fact, it's a compilation of some of the ebooks from the course. It's packed with instructional diagrams, practical drawing advice, and example drawings that make learning hand anatomy easier. This handbook covers all the essentials of hand and forearm anatomy, from the underlying bones and muscles to the surface details like tendons, fingernails, skin folds, fat pads. I hope you'll use this book as a resource to help you draw hands confidently from reference or from imagination. Whenever you're struggling to draw a specific part of a hand or forearm, you can open this book and find an answer. Add realism and emotion to your figure drawings with hands that feel alive. You finally won't have to hide the hands in your drawings. With your support, we hope to cover production, printing, and distribution. And if we reach our goal, we're gonna get these books into your hands within 4 to 5 months after the campaign ends. By backing this project, you can choose from exclusive rewards like signed copies, discounted courses on Proko.com, access to a private live stream demo, and even some original art. We also have some exciting stretch goals like Proko sketchbooks and Skelly's skull, made specifically for students who are studying portraiture and want a skull that has perfect Loomis proportions. Yay! Thank you so much for your support. I'm really excited. I hope you like it.